Communication is the key word for the 21st century. The need for high bandwidth has never been bigger, and wireless communication is more and more important. But voice and data flow are often still via wires and cables. LaserBit Communications Corporation offers a new technology for reliable, free space laser transmission for voice, video, and data. The company was formed by American, British, Hungarian partners to produce the optical communication system called LaserBit for the telecommunications industry. LaserBit delivers the most effective point-to-point connection between telecommunications equipment and computer networks. With the use of LaserBit communication, there's no licensing requirement, no need to install cables, and no rental costs. LaserBit can be a cost-effective alternative to fiber optic cables and radio links. LaserBit is ideal for urban areas and city centers where the use of leased lines is expensive. It is suitable for factories or industrial environments where high noise levels can interfere with transmitted signals. There are cases where installing cables is not viable because of obstacles like rivers. Here, the best choice is LaserBit. LaserBit is ideal for interconnecting local computer networks, for example between banks, news agencies, and other institutions. It is the best solution for connecting buildings across large sites like campuses, hospitals, or factories. It promises high, reliable bandwidth links for internet service providers, and LaserBit can transfer video signals for television networks cable-free. Company telephone exchanges can also be interconnected via LaserBit links, so the in-house calls are free. LaserBit technology is the best for interconnecting cell phone base stations in place of radio links. Another of the company's products, multiplexers, use copper cable input and standard fiber optic output.
Major investors such as Intel, Technology Holdings, Sandler Capital invested millions of dollars into LaserBit Communication Corporation to enable the company to open offices worldwide, Singapore, New York, Brazil, to sell and support the product which was manufactured by LaserBit Corporation and developed as a fourth generation telecommunication equipment for the optical telecommunication industry.
LaserBit communication is based on laser technology, harnessing the speed of light to achieve wide bandwidth laser transmission. The communication comprises two laser heads, and the equipment allows error-free, cost-effective data transfer for distances of between 5 and 5,000 meters. The laser heads are connected to the indoor interconnection unit by a standard fiber optic cable. The laser beam can be used to connect separate computer networks for Ethernet, Fast Ethernet, and ATM applications. Using LaserBit, people working at two distant locations feel as if they were using one common physical network. LaserBit also offers high bandwidth, reliable data transfer for internet service providers. LaserBit can deliver point-to-point connection between separate telephone exchanges or can connect telephone trunks directly to remote subscribers. LaserBit can also be used for delivering data between mobile phone base stations instead of radio links. Another family of products of the company are multiplexers, which can connect telephone trunks with copper cable output to the fiber optic input of the LaserBit. Multiplexers allow voice transmission and computer communication with fail-safe warnings. Up to 32 optional service channels can be built into the device. This way, multiplexers can connect base stations to base stations for extension of the network. Already, LaserBit is working effectively in a variety of places all over the world, in the United States and Canada, in Asia, as well as in Europe and the United Kingdom. The system has received high recommendations everywhere.
We were very aware that in the UK there was a perception that existing laser systems had a tendency to underperform in bad weather. So we were very conscious that we needed a system that would work well in all weather conditions. And the specifications which LaserBit product employs means that it will work in bad weather, whereas existing products on the market have a tendency to slow down or even drop the link completely when the weather gets bad.
We have been using LaserBit links at Hungarian Airlines since 1998. We are satisfied with the system. They connect our department with one of the servers to help data transfer. Due to the characteristics of the airport, we could not make connections under or above ground. This system was the only possible solution.
At the Budapest Stock Exchange, therefore was need to buy a LaserBit because the employers are working two different buildings. We got two possibilities to solve this problem: to rent a cable or to buy a LaserBit. The LaserBit price nearly the same like 1 year cable rent. Therefore we bought the LaserBit.
The laser links here connect two buildings of the Hungarian National Museum. They carry out the computer communication and telephone connection between the two buildings. We needed the laser connection because it was impossible or too expensive to interconnect the two buildings across the main road. The LaserBit links have been working here over the years without any trouble. We are very happy with them.
The modular design of LaserBit makes field repair and maintenance easy and fast. LaserBit equipment is designed to withstand the most severe weather conditions. The housing is purposely built from hardened composite aluminum alloy that gives a robust waterproof environment for the electronics. This ensures trouble-free service in all conditions. The laser head is protected from direct sunlight by a second shield, which also provides extra isolation for the device. LaserBit is galvanically isolated from its network devices and operates at low voltage. Because it uses laser beams, it is free from interference generated by surges or by other radio frequencies. The installation of LaserBit devices can be done quickly. It only takes a few hours' work. Most of the installation involves physically securing the units in place and installing the optical cables and the power supplier copper wires. The alignment calibration itself normally takes only an hour's work. As one of the most important strengths of the company, LaserBit Communications Corporation also offers reliable customer support in every country.
LaserBit Communication, good morning.
These include hotline support, where well-trained experts are ready to help the customers. LaserBit and its subsidiaries help to choose the most appropriate installation methods and tools and organize technical training on a regular basis for groups of technical people. Besides product-specific information, new networking technologies and solutions are also presented to customers and worldwide partner networks. Throughout the development of LaserBit devices, the best practice and the best experts were employed by the company, and LaserBit engineers have used many innovations to create a unique technology with unique solutions for a unique problem. Due to the high expertise on laser and telecommunications applications, development engineers of LaserBit constantly strengthen the technology via creative solutions. The implemented methods allow mass manufacturing according to high-quality standards of production. This results in permanent supply that satisfies the ever-growing need for the LaserBit product on the market. After packing and labeling, the equipment is ready to be transported to every corner of the world from Singapore to New York. LaserBit is designed for reliable, free space, voice, video, and data transfer. It is cost-effective, easy, and quick to install. The laser heads are built of high-quality components that allow cable-free wire-speed laser transmission. No licensing requirement, no line rental. LaserBit Communications Corporation is a rapidly expanding multinational company with a worldwide presence and the best references. With this innovative know-how, the company is revolutionizing standards and making communication systems cheaper.